First we will go to Google Chrome and type git scm. Okay, and we'll click on the first result that we get. This is the official site for downloading git bash. Okay, so we have to download it according to specifications of our system. Here it will automatically detect our configuration and download will start. So as we can see, our download is finished. Now we will now install what we have downloaded. So here we will go next, and just follow what I am doing, and this will be best suited for your PC, laptop, whatever you are using. Here you can read. Click the second one here and then next again. You don't have to do much here and just wait for it to install. It doesn't take much time. It will install fast, very fast. About to finish. So finished now. Now we will just open the application what we have got here in desktop. It's very small. Let's zoom it. Now it's clear. First of all, we will see our public working directory. Here I can see this is 91629. We are making a directory named projects. Okay, so our directory name project is created. We will just see it. So here we can see we have projects. Okay, I highlighted it. Here we have projects. Now we have to go in this projects folder, cd projects / we will now, as we can see in the yellow part, we are in project section. Now I am initializing it, git init. Okay, it will add .git file to this folder. See, now we can see here master branch is showing. Now see ls, nothing shows. ls-a. Now we can see the hidden files .git. So it initializes our project. Now we are making a readme file, readme.md. md is here markdown, it stands for markdown. So we have created it. Say ls readme. Now I am opening it with brackets. Bracket is a text editor similar to VS Code. I am using brackets here. You can use anyone, whatever you like. Okay, it's opening. So we have opened our brackets and readme file is here. Just add some random text, anything. After that I am saved it and it's done. The changes are saved here. Now we'll just do a git status to see our changes are done or not. So git status on master, no commits yet, untracked file. Okay, now we have to commit it. So writing the commit statement here is little tricky. You have to add the commit message inside the double quote I am writing a first commit, enter. So this is our initial commit. Okay, now I have to push it. Okay, I have to add then push it. So let's just add it. Okay, it's only file, so we are using dot. It will select all. Now we are seeing the status of it. See, it's showing in green color. It means it's ready, it's in staging area. So after this it will be pushed. Okay, but it will show error here. Why it's showing error here? Because no configured push destination. Okay, we have no destination where it should be pushed. So we need to create a new repository on the GitHub side, and we also have to generate SSH keygen. So what is SSH keygen? It's like a authentication, just for saying that I use this computer and this is authorized to make changes to my GitHub account or to my repository. Okay, so I am writing here T defines the type of encryption and B defines the strength of encryption, and at the end you need to include your GitHub email address. Now enter. So I have generated a RSA key pair. So just to enter the file. See, here my file is saved in .ssh/id_rsa. Enter passphrase, I don't need it. Enter, then enter. So my SSH key is generated. Now I'm going to open it. It's stored in C users and .ssh. I have to open this with brackets. Okay, now let's see. It's opening. Now what we have to do, we have to copy each and everything from here and paste this stuff in GitHub. So let me show how to do it. Now just opening my GitHub account. Now go to settings. Okay, settings, then SSH. Yes, now I need to add it. In the title you write your computer name from where you are accessing your GitHub account. Okay, so I will write my computer name. And now I simply paste it and add SSH key. Okay, let's see, it needs authentication. Okay, so it's added. Close it. Back to my git bash, clearing it. As now we are in project directory, so adding the origin, it's showing error because I added it earlier. Now let's see what's the status. So no commits yet. So I'm creating a new file here, index.html. Okay, but before it I need to make a new repository. So simply I will make new repository from here. Okay, clicking on new, you can name it anything you want. I'm naming it new repo. Okay, description can be anything, just be specific what you want to do with this repository and create a new repository. Now we see we have a readme.md file. Now I'm adding new HTML file, okay, index.html. So creating it. So now we see is it created. So directly opening it with brackets index.html, and just write whatever you want. After writing your code or text or anything, just save it, ctrls, and then simply close it. Okay, now see the status of the file. So on track file index.html, we have to now add it. I'm directly adding index.html. Now adding git status and see. New file to be changes to be committed. New file index.html. So I'm adding a current message to it, and within quotation marks I'm adding the commit message. So adding index.html file. So directly pushing it to my repository. U is for default and origin master. Now simply pushing it. So it's done now. We see our repository. Now a new repository we have. So we have successfully added index.html to our repository. Now we can see the status of our directory. So nothing to commit, working pretty clean, so clear it all. So this is all for today.